Wekana nene korwa sensemeri yabaigereri niko gwakorekana ase chiabisi che county ya Kisii aseri tukoria lero anena service teneta mangana yendemero korangana abegereri abuni go barokane komocha omutene korwa sensemo yendemero Charles Ayienda oyibano batebere buno oberega kurobo koribwa ya century tabwenderete niko batebera yanda nigarokane kubondereri abantu nasamangana rengete ndemero anabantu bali batali kwenyara gento bono bagania serikali komeke getambokero nako mwaka isiko korwa sensemeyo gose kumunganyi gocha senseme ngao na gotiga gotenera amangana arengetse endemero muri keito Mildred Mumanyi na roboche rwa senchira yowime
okorobekana ko morembe nigo kwenekigwa ase muchubusongo amona bawakili abo baganete omo Land Registrar ase lita Charles Ayienda kurwa county ya Kisii gocha kurusiwa sayo ase kelia korengana barobwo nigo agochanda abantu nabayigo taligo ikirania amaganyo yabamenyi asensemo ichitaito deed bakora wano mwakili George Moraran nigo baira okorobekana kwabo baka ase chiabisi cha Aldi House ase bateba omo Land Registrar arusiwa sayo.
The purpose of this demonstration is a cry for the past 4 months from the advocates and land owners within the Kisii County region who are grieved with the activities and actions of the Land Registrar Charles Morara Ayienda. Ayienda received a petition from the Law Society of Kenya addressed to him giving a number of grievances or particular do's or don'ts that he had not adhered to. Ayienda gave a response, but which was not enough to make the advocates and clients within the Kisii County owners of land, conveyancers, and other interested parties were not satisfied with the answer that he gave.
Bisesitokani konyora ga gabosongo tichiri konyore kana sobo raisi esababu Ayienda niga akorira obisi ye gabuna mwaye igonki twacha gokoraga lero itwacha kumoinyoria nga Ayienda goikokoreki goikogende
gati yabawakili nigo barwa omubwekano bwebikorwa biri omo Land Registrar abereka gokora ibyo korengana barobwo bitali aseri chiko.
When I was in court, there was an advocate from Nairobi who was trying to charge a property here in Kisii on behalf of his client. That client of his is a cancer patient in hospital in India, trying to charge that property so that they can get money to facilitate a medication in India. Whereas Ayienda is insisting that that patient must come from wherever she is so that Ayienda can see him, so that that charge can be registered. You can imagine the injustice Ayienda is causing to people.
So we want to tell the nation that Ayienda is frustrating service delivery in this county, and we are not going to fear him, and we are telling him that he has to move away from Kisii, and we want his transfer to be effected as soon as Monday.
Nigo ba mocha hoigo omo Land Registrar yo ase ogotaba ase chiabisi oikachinsa baika asayo ase barwa ogokura gocha ase serikali otegerera ibirero byabo ase okomorusia omo Land Registrar yo ase chiabisi echo.
Even the offices are closed. This is 11 o'clock in the morning. The office is not working. Mr. Ayienda is not in the office, and we wish this information to reach the headquarters, the CS lands, so that an action can be taken. And we want to confirm that Mr. Ayienda is on transfer. He has refused to move from Kisii. He says that he has a god or a goddess, probably in the national government. We are telling him we are not relenting. We are not relenting, and Ayienda must go. Actually, our issues remain the same. They remain unresolved to date. They're even applying for documents, normal documents like searches and cautions. It's quite difficult to get such documents.
Our message to each and every person of this nation of Kenya, particularly the people who are charged with land matters, is that Ayienda was a reject from his former station, that is Nyandarua.
Reporter ya Ndizi TV, Italiane, Mildred Mumanyi.